What's going on, everybody? Chinedu here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Legendary Marketer. Before getting started, why don't you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also bang that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to join Legendary Marketer. Now, a disclaimer before we get started. There is no guarantee what I show you today will make you any money. Most people that start an online business do not make any money. However, if you implement what you learn, you have a very high chance of succeeding. What is Legendary Marketer? Essentially, it is a company that sells online marketing education. So they sell training and courses to help you start an online business. So the first way to make money with Legendary Marketer is to start an online profitable digital marketing business. So that's the first method. So building an online digital marketing business. And these are the 4 niches where Legendary Marketer has training and courses. So they have training for high ticket affiliate marketing. They have training for digital products, which is creating your own online courses. They have training for coaching and consulting, and also events and masterminds. These are the 4 high margin, profitable online digital marketing businesses. And Legendary Marketer will provide training to help you set up one of these businesses. I'll show you their training and their courses next. So their training starts with the 15-day online business builder challenge. This is a training that gives you all the skills to start a digital marketing business in those 4 niches I showed you, which are affiliate marketing, online courses, masterminds and events, and coaching consulting. So if you're going to start any of those businesses, this is the first entry-level training with Legendary Marketer. It's a $7 training and it's over 15 days, and you learn all the skills like email marketing, funnel building, copywriting, lead generation. You learn all those skills during the 7-day training. And here is a summary of what you go through over the 15 days. So the first day you start with the number 1 secret to starting and scaling a high-ticket business, and you go through daily training with Dave Sharp, who is the CEO of Legendary Marketer. And down here you can see training in lead generation, copywriting, sales, and presenting. So over this period, you will learn so many high-income skills to help you start a digital marketing business. So everyone that joins Legendary Marketer goes through the 15-day training because you learn the skills to then take on extra training and courses if you want to do so. Another popular training is the Marketers Club. This is a monthly subscription training. Again, you learn those skills and high-income skills to build an online business, digital marketing business. So the Marketers Club is a monthly subscription training that gives you ongoing training and education on digital marketing, and it's about $30 a month. Again, it's a very popular training with Legendary Marketer. Now, if you decide to get extra, more in-depth training with Legendary, you can then go ahead and get the business blueprints. So you have business blueprints in those 4 niches I showed you. So there is one for affiliate marketing. You have one if you want to create your own online courses. So digital products business blueprint. There's the coaching and consulting business blueprint, and the events and masterminds business blueprint. So these are extra training After finishing the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, you can then progress and step up your education with this higher priced but more in-depth training with legendary marketers. So the business blueprints will give you all the coaching, all the education, and all the skills to start your own business. For example, if you want to do affiliate marketing as a business, once you finish the 15-day training, you can get the business blueprints for affiliate marketing, and that will give you all the information and all the skills you need to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. So the first way to make money with Legendary Marketer is to build an online digital marketing business. And you've seen the courses, you've seen the training. They're very comprehensive, and so they're some of the best training you can get in digital marketing. The second way to make money with Legendary is to become an affiliate and join the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. Now, Legendary are very selective in who they admit into their affiliate program. That's because they want people that will promote their products and their courses in an ethical manner. So they're very, very strict and selective in who they admit. Also, you need to have gone through the 15-day online business builder challenge training to understand the sort of training you can get from Legendary Marketer, because if you're going to promote, it is important you understand the training yourself, you go through it yourself. So to become an affiliate, you need to go through the 15-day online business builder challenge before you can apply. And I'll run through the affiliate program next. So Legendary has 2 tiers for their affiliate program. There is a basic plan and a pro plan. You can see the basic plan is free, essentially. With the pro, you pay $29.95 a month to be a pro affiliate. Now, you get essentially the same resources. You get the funnels, you get a sales team that will work with you. You manage and track your leads. You manage and track your customers. So you have all those as the same in both plans. You get custom funnels to promote the courses. The difference is down here, commissions. So in the basic plan, you only receive 5 to 30% commission, and in the pro plan is 20 to 60%. So that's a big difference. There are some other differences here. You can integrate your own autoresponder into the funnels. You can get some additional income, and also you get advanced affiliate training with the pro plan. So there are not many affiliate programs where you actually pay to get a commission. But here, I suppose if you don't want to pay, you can just be a basic affiliate. But if you want to get the higher commissions, then you pay $29.95 every month to get the high commissions. So here you can see the big difference in what you earn either as a basic or a pro affiliate. You can see down here, if you go to the high ticket products, for example, the blueprints, for example, they cost $2,500. And if you're a pro affiliate, you get $1,000 commission. If you're a basic affiliate, you only get $250. So it's a big difference. And if you come right down to the more expensive training, for example, business blueprints with Mastermind, it costs $4,500. A pro affiliate will receive $1,350, and a basic affiliate $450. So again, that's a big difference. And then the big one down here, which is the coaching, blueprints with coaching, which costs $9,500. As a pro affiliate, you will receive $2,850 commission just for one sale, and a basic affiliate gets $950. So you can see this is a high ticket affiliate program. You, as an affiliate, you're going to be promoting mainly the 15-day training, which is $7. And I think you get a commission of $2.80 for that. However, if people finish the 15-day training and then purchase any of this more expensive training, you can see how you can earn high ticket commissions from this program. And that's one of the reasons why it is very popular, because the courses are high quality, and therefore they're very popular. And many people will buy this extra training to get that education from Legendary Marketer and then start their digital marketing businesses. So it's a very popular program, and therefore many people apply to join. But like I said, Legendary are very, very particular about who joins their affiliate program. So you have to show that you're going to promote their products in an ethical manner, and having some experience as an affiliate will help. Also, you need to go through the 15-day training. I have a link in the description below. You need to go through that training before you can apply, so you know and understand what you're going to be promoting. And how do you apply? If you come up here, you can see create an affiliate account if you're a pro affiliate, or create a free account for the basic plan. So you apply, and Legendary will look at your application and either approve or not. Legendary has an affiliate agreement which you must understand if you're going to promote their courses and their training. For example, you have to be more than 18 years old to become an affiliate, and there are other terms and conditions you need to understand. Like most affiliate programs, you have to promote in an ethical manner and understand that it's not an overnight wealth kind of business. You're building a brand and a business, and do not make it look like you're recommending people to on how to get rich overnight, because it's not. You want to build a business and a brand, and you want to promote in an ethical manner. So that's it. So those are the two main methods to make money with Legendary. You can either build an online digital marketing business if you're going to set up a high ticket affiliate marketing business, or create your own courses online, or you're going to go into coaching, consulting, or you're going to have an events and masterminds business where you are coaching to many as a group with live events or masterminds. Or these days you can be an online mastermind business. So you will get all the training and all the skills to build all these businesses from Legendary Marketer. And like I said, the second way is to become an affiliate, where you promote their courses and their training and receive a commission if somebody buys through your affiliate link. And as you can see, there are multiple products, and it's a high ticket affiliate marketing kind of business where you earn high ticket commissions if somebody buys the higher tier courses and training. So whichever one you want to do, either buy the courses or become an affiliate, you must go through the 15-day online business builder challenge. It's $7. Is the entry level. Everybody goes through this training, so you get an insight into what Legendary offers. So there's a link in the description below to join Legendary Marketer. So that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer each one. If you need any help to start with the courses, or to build an affiliate marketing business with Legendary, then I'm also happy to help. Just leave a comment below and I'll answer them as well as I can. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying to the end. I do hope you join me again for the next video. Thank you and peace.